Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit photos in Google Photos app on TECLAST T60. Go to Google Photos and then choose a photo you want to edit. Then click on Edit. And now you can automatically enhance it, make it warmer or make it cooler. You can also go here to crop that picture, like that for example. You can click here to adjust the brightness, contrast, white point, highlights, shadows, black point, saturation, warmth, tint, skin tone, blue tone, and other things, like for example denoise or sharpen. You can also go here to add a filter if you want, and you can adjust its intensity. And you can go here to markup. You can draw with a pen, highlighter, or add a text. I'm gonna select a pen and select a color. Then I can draw. I can also use highlighter. And then let's click on Save Copy. And now it is saved. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.